Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people, and welcome back! This is the first vlog where I'm going to take you to Berlin, the capital of Germany. Berlin is very special. Not only does Berlin have a lot of historical places and historical buildings, but it's also a very multicultural city, and you can find a lot of art and a lot of hip things and new things and cool things. So it's always a lot of fun exploring Berlin. And over the vlogs, because this is only the first one, you will see different sides of Berlin. But we are going to start with, I think, some of the more important historical buildings. So on my first day, I took you to a few places I thought were not only interesting to see, but that are also important for Berlin. So let's enjoy my first day in Berlin, which started with a train ride to Berlin, which can be interesting, but we will talk about train rides in Germany in another video, because I think I need to prepare people about that. But not in this one, because nothing went wrong, so I don't need to talk about it. So let's have a walk through Berlin.
Was wir jetzt gemacht haben, war dann Fachkräfteaustausch.
So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found the places I filmed interesting. They're all like really close by each other, so you can just walk from one place to another. And I did all that. I went to the Brandenburger Tor by metro, and then, or by U-Bahn as it's called here, and then I walked all the way back till Hakscha Markt and took another train to go back where I was staying. So you can walk all of that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you will enjoy the next ones, because not only do I have another one where we're going to explore a little bit more of the sites you might have heard about, but there will also be a vlog that is really, really artistic, not in the way I filmed it, but because of where we went. And I'm really happy that I can show you that, because that day was so cool, and this place was just so, you could feel the artistic energy flowing in a way. So you can look forward to that as well. So, as a reminder, and so you don't forget, feel free to like, share, comment, and of course to not miss the next vlogs. Subscribe if you have not done that yet. And other than that, I will see you in the next vlog. And until then, I'm going to leave you with a heartfelt bye!